Welcome back to Hustle a Million. Before I get started, I want to give you guys a huge thank you. I officially crossed 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I couldn't have done it without all your support. So again, I want to just give you guys a huge thank you. We've got a long way to grow this channel, but again, that first milestone is out of the way. We're on our way to 10,000 next. Make sure you watch all the old videos. If you miss anything, make sure you execute the plan, and make sure you leave me comments and let me know how you're doing going forward. Now, recently I made a video talking about YouTube automation and how to make a faceless YouTube channel in order to make some money. Now, I gave you guys both ways that people do this. One was to hire people to make the videos for you by hiring them off places like Upwork or Fiverr. And the second way was to use all of this artificial intelligence programs that have come out in order to make the videos yourself. Now, if you missed that video, make sure you go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box down below, because in that video, not only do I provide the AI tools we use to create the video, but I also gave a step-by-step process on how to utilize them. Now, I gotta admit to you guys, when I first used that artificial intelligence to create those videos, I was extremely impressed. So much so, I decided to make a brand new faceless YouTube channel to see if I can just use all artificial intelligence tools and make that channel pop. So this is day one of me documenting that journey with you guys. My goal is to give you guys a video every single week, updating you as far as the progress on the channel. I want to show you guys the channel analytics, what the view counts are, how much the channel may be making, everything you need to know to be as transparent as possible with what this faceless channel may be doing. That way, you can make a decision on whether or not you want to follow along and create your own faceless channel and get to some money. Now today, I'm also going to give you guys some of the top niches on YouTube where faceless YouTube channels are currently being run, and I'll provide some examples of people who are doing just that and are very successful at it. Now, one of the first things I did once I decided I was going to make this new channel using all artificial intelligence, I went and purchased an already monetized channel. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking. How is that even possible? What are you talking about? Yes, you can purchase an already monetized channel, one that maybe has been sitting there and unused, or one that is freshly created. Costs you about $600. Now, the next question you might have is, well, why not build a YouTube channel from scratch? Honestly, guys, because I didn't want to. YouTube requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched before they'll even monetize you, which means if I make any kind of a viral video prior to those numbers being hit, I don't get paid. So for me, the obvious choice was just to pay the $600, have an already monetized channel, and begin making these videos that potentially could be making money from the get-go. And if you don't have the money to get an already monetized channel from the jump, don't worry about it. I have 2 other faceless YouTube channels right now that I've built from scratch, and they're moving right along. So here's the analytics page. That way you guys can see it's a freshly new monetized channel. You can see there's no activity up until this spike. And then here is where we got monetized, and I'm taking delivery of this channel on June 15th at the time of this recording. We scroll down a little bit further, we'll see that yes, it's currently got the 1,003 subscribers. We've reached that 4,000 hour threshold, and right now we've got no revenue because there's been no new videos posted ever since it's been monetized. Now, to start off this channel, I'm only going to be using 2 artificial intelligence programs. The first one being ChatGPT. By now, most people watching this knows exactly what ChatGPT is and its capabilities. We're going to use this to write all of the scripts for our videos, and this is a free service to use, guys. But if you've never seen ChatGPT in action, simply come down to this chat box, ask it a question, and then hit enter, and ChatGPT will get to work writing that script or whatever it is you need for your video. Now, the second artificial intelligence program that we'll be using is Invideo. This software is going to allow us to act as video editors and also provide us the voiceover for the videos that we need. Now, Invideo has 3 different options to get signed up, one of which is free. And so even if you want to sign up for the free copy just to get started and utilize the editor just to see how it works, go ahead and do that. But remember, you get what you pay for. So if you're going to get serious about making these videos to make some money on YouTube, you will need to probably upgrade to the business or the unlimited version. I personally have the unlimited version. That way I have access to everything this thing's capable of. And if you are looking for a quick tutorial on how to use the program, make sure you go watch my last video where I discussed creating a faceless YouTube channel, as I did walk through the step-by-step process of how to get those videos created, and I'll leave that link in the description box down below. And if you do choose choose to use this program, make sure you sign up using my referral link that I'll also leave in the description box down below. Now, as promised, I'm going to give you guys a few different niches that you can take a look at and do some research if you do plan on moving forward with creating a faceless channel. Now, the first niche you could take a look at getting into is what we call self-improvement. This page right here, Brandy Dose, makes videos like 9 types of people you should avoid, or 10 things girls do that guys don't. As you can see, they've got over 2.2 million subscribers, and currently they're getting 1.6 million views per month. You could also make a health channel like this one, Bestie, which makes videos about losing weight and things you can do to be more healthy. Currently, they've got over 4.5 million subscribers, and right now they're getting a total of almost 1 million views per month. The next niche you could take a look at is within the finance category. This channel, Practical Wisdom, makes videos on how to improve your personal finance, and they're currently sitting at 934,000 subscribers. Now, this channel, Magnets Media, well, they're in the wealth niche, and they make videos about big companies and their backstories, such as Pepsi, Domino's, Coca-Cola, Facebook. Well, right now you see they've got just shy of 1 million subscribers, but they're absolutely killing this niche as they're getting over 5.1 million views per month. Now, going back to the health category, you could also make videos within the gaining muscle niche like this one, Body Hub, who's currently sitting at 1.26 million subscribers. Now, those are just a few niches that you could take a look at getting into. Now, obviously, there's a lot more out there, such as technology, psychology, or even travel, just to name a few. No matter what, pick something you're interested in and get to work. Now, before we get out of here, I want to give you guys one more nugget. Now, when I start loading new videos to this channel, I'm going to begin with multiple videos at the same time. Now, the reason for that is I'm going to try to create binge-worthy content. And what I mean by that is if somebody watches the first video and loves it, they're more inclined to watch the second, third, fourth, etc. Thereby, the YouTube algorithm will push out the content further, allowing more views and more exposure to the channel, which means more money. Now, if you have any questions or comments for me, please leave those down below. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell before you get out of here. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you soon with a follow-up video.